Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me. And if you don't know me, then please subscribe, please. Okay? Get to know me. Ooh. I literally was gonna film this in the afternoon when I came home from work, but then I had to do errands, and then now it's nighttime. So my energy is low. As you can hear from my voice, it's time for me to go to sleep. But I was like, I got this in the mail. I really got this really late. I was supposed to get it. My mailwoman usually comes around 12-ish, 1-ish, but she came around 6 o'clock, 7-ish, which is weird. She never comes around that time delivering these type of mails. Maybe delivering the actual parcels like BoxyCharm that can't fit into the mailbox, but this could fit into your mailbox. So anyways, let's get into this video. Ipsy Glam bag is 5 sales. It ranges. Sometimes it's samples, sometimes it's deluxe samples, and sometimes they're full-size products. But it's basically just a way for you to try out new products and see if you like them before you buy the really full size. It used to be cost only like $15 after tax, but now it's like rounding up to $17. But it's supposed to be over $50, and last month it was definitely over $50, and they're really doing it that when you add stuff up, it actually is over $50. They improved, and I'm really happy about that they improved. Now let's get into the bag. I was saying is $13 plus tax and $1.99 handling. So there's $1.99 added to the total, because it used to be 15 something like a couple months ago, and now it's handling fees. And I realized once they charge the handling fees, Ipsy's got better. But once they upcharged BoxyCharm went down. But we're not going to talk about BoxyCharm. If you wanted to see my BoxyCharm unboxing and you haven't, I will leave it linked up into the cards. This is what the bag looks like. It looks like an ocean view with a starfish for the zipper, and it says Ipsy on the inside, so you never really have to show the Ipsy. I used to hate when like Ipsy was like on the bag, and I could just use it as a pocketbook. Also, this is like a lime green for the zipper. It's really, really summerish. It's really beach vibes. Let me get out the card. It says, soak it all in. That is the theme. It says, don't miss choice. Log in July 20 to 22 to choose your product for next month. And it says, Glam Ag's bag is coming in August. And it has product information. Yes. Okay. So the first product that we got is sheet mask. And I love sheet mask because I haven't got sheet mask or mask from Ipsy in a very long time, and I was getting upset because I really like sheet mask. I like to try out different masks. I used to do a thing on my channel here called Mask Try on Monday, where I try new sheet mask, new mask every single Monday. And now I got a mask to try on. Okay, so this is $2 each. There's 2 in here. $4 for this right here. This is Pyunkang Yuk Highly Moisturizing Essence Mask Pack. So this is a moisturizing one. I'm probably going to use this during winter, or like the transition from summer, because my skin really doesn't need any moisturizing at this time. It needs just the lighter moisturizer, like gel moisturizers. Treat your skin to the ultimate moisture rush. These sheet masks are full of nourishing ingredients like strengthening kombucha, anti-aging peptides, and a blend of hydrating ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and shea butter that will deliver deep moisture and glow to your parched complexion. Wow, parched. My complexion is not parched right now. But thank you. I have combo skin, so like it gets more parched during the winter. That's why I actually use a cream moisturizer. So I won't be using this in for a while, and that's sad. But the good thing is that I have a mask to try out, a new one. The next thing right here, this is Miss Flowers, Mr. Honey, rejuvenating lotion. What's lotion? Is that body lotion or is it face lotion? Premium facial lotion delivers, yep, rejuvenating moisturizer. So it's a face lotion. Oh, it's sealed, so I'm not gonna use it right now. But let's see how much this retails for. So the big one retails for $38. It has 150 milliliters, and this is a 30 milliliter. So let's see how much it retails for. $7.06. That's how much it retails for. $7.06 for this sample. I mean, but it's a hefty sample. Like, this is not that little too. It's like, it's literally, it's, you don't see any like clear spots until you get to here. It's literally filled up to the top. So I'm not mad about that. Alright, next thing. I hate this mascara. I usually love Benefit mascaras, but I hate this mascara. This is the Bad Girl Bang mascara. I mean, I always need travel size mascara, but this is the one thing I'm not happy about, especially because I put on my profile that I do not want mascara. I'd rather have eyeliner than mascara. So this is the first thing that's not on my profile. This one right here retails for $27 full size, and it has 0.3 ounces, and this is, and 0.3 ounces equals 8.505 grams, and this little sample size right here is 3 grams. And this right here retails for $9.52. This little baby retails for $9.52. I mean, I could dig it, but usually travel size things usually cost like $12 in real life. But this is not the size of the actual travel size one. The travel size one is a little bit bigger, but it kind of looks like it. Well, the box does. Let me see the product. No, it kind of looks like a sample. At least like the travel size actually look like the original. It would look like pointy, I think. I don't know. I never bought the travel size because I don't really like this. To be honest, it's not my favorite. I would never repurchase it. But it's good for lower lashes. I'm not gonna hold you that it's a great mascara for lower lashes, but for my top lashes, no. No, that's like a mascara that I would put on falsies with. Not a mascara to do my regular lashes. So far, I like 2 items out of the 5, and only one was disappointing. This is going so much better than BoxyCharm. Ooh, another sample. but it's big. What is this? Osha Ocean Cleaner. It's clean, a vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, California made. For normal, combo, and dry, so that means it's not for sensitive skin or mature skin. Removes impurities and excess oil with our pH balance formula. So it's basically for a morning cleanser. Seaweed provides mineral-rich hydration for a clear, radiant complexion. You can see and feel. Okay. I like this, and it's a travel size cleanser. I could take it with me. Have a cleanser. I see what they did there. Have a cleanser and have a moisturizer. Okay, alright. But I only have one makeup item. That's what gets me upset, because I said I want more makeup than skincare. But it is what it is. That retails for, the full size retails for $48. That retails for $18. They have 2 sizes on their website, and that one, it retails for $18. Let me show you. Yep. $18. This is 0.6 fluid ounces, and the 0.6 fluid ounces on their website retail for $18. Cool beans. All right. The next and last thing retails for $18, and it was my choice item. I know I shouldn't be choosing this because it's their brand, but I like complex culture stuff. And if I don't gotta pay for it, I'm gonna choose it. I still wanted to try their blush, but then I realized, like, I have so many blushes in that color. Why do I need to get it just to try their blush formula or their highlight formula with their highlights? So it's like, I have that color. Why do it? But I do want to try their eyeshadows. When I get a chance to get, like, to buy their eyeshadows and everything else, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. Also, their eyeshadows is now with BoxyCharm, since they bought BoxyCharm. This is the Kiss Bliss lip gloss and Euphoria. I love how it has the logo inside too. It says 0.2 fluid ounces, 4.5 ml. If you don't use that, this retails for, I told you, $18, and it's good for 18 months. It's vegan, cruelty free, and dermatologist tested. It's made in Italy, and this is so beautiful. I can't wait to open it and try it on our first impressions. But wow. Okay, I thought me picking makeup would make me have makeup, because I'm not gonna hold you, this was a choice item. This was a choice item, and I didn't choose to get it. This was also a choice item, and I didn't choose to get it. It was between this, and a hair care set. So it's like, those are choice items. Like, okay, 4 out of 5 I love. I love this bag 4 out of 5. That is the truth. This right here is a no bueno. I don't want mascara anymore. I put that on my profile. I put that on my quiz. No more mascara. Mascara. So, I don't know what to say there. Anyways, that's it for this video. My total came up to $57 and, well, 12 cents. 12 cents. Literally, it's really over $50. It's $7.12 over $50, and I like that. The other one, last month we got a palette. This month, I'm glad I didn't get a palette because I don't need any more palettes. But, and the palettes that they had wasn't really intriguing me, but I'm kind of happy what I got. Because I got a travel size cleanser, so I could just put it in my bag when I go over to people's houses, everywhere, when I go to client meetings and I need to stay at a hotel. I have a cleanser and a moisturizer right here. And because COVID is gone, well, not COVID's not gone, but the quarantine's over and I have chance to maneuver and expand my business, I've been traveling. So I'm excited. I'm excited for that. And also I got a new sheet mask to try. Maybe on a rainy day or dry day I am gonna put that on. So I can't just say I'm gonna use it for winter. I'm probably gonna use it on a dry day. Anyways, and I chose this and I can't wait to try it. I haven't tried their lip gloss. The only lip product that I tried from them is their balm and their weird lip tint. That was just like, I was trying to make it work, but it wasn't working. I had to throw that out. And also the wand, it looked moldy once you started dipping it over and over and over, and the lip tint is just no bueno. No bueno. No. Also, I tried their powder, which I love, which I can't find. I think I finished it. I loved it that much that I finished it. And I never repurchased it. But I loved it. But I never repurchased it because I had other powders. And which is true, I do have other powders. But dang, I really wish I knew what color it was in. Because they have different colors and I never know which color I got it in. I just know that it looked a little bit translucent on my skin and it didn't have any color, but I knew it wasn't translucent because they don't have translucent, they have colors. So it's like, how does it look like it doesn't have color on my skin if it's colored, if it's tinted? So it's like, I never understood. I knew it wasn't a deep one, but it was one of them. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked my long rant. I hope you liked my Ipsy bag unbagging. What did you get in your Ipsy bag? Let me know down below. And yeah, and why is the Ipsies are turning out late? Like, I never had it this late. But hey, choices coming up. Can't wait to see what's for next one and next month. I saw that the bag was like really beautiful. It was like tropical breeze, really beautiful. So I'm kind of excited. Are you? Let me know down below in the comment section. Always have a great day, have a blessed day, and stay safe. Video right here, head right here. Go check it out. And deuces.